dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
My wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. The headlines: Obaseki, the media advisor to the immediate past Edo State Governor Obaseki, said no amount of lies, blackmail or propaganda by Governor Okpebholo and his media team can blemish his principal's legacy. Where people don't be small. Moving on, after this we have the Edo State or Progressive Congress has promised to reward the immediate past governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, with 50 million if he could walk freely on the streets of Benin City and receive a rousing welcome from residents. I mean, we don't say to me, before I go bring the matter, go like, welcome my amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining us. And those who join us on today's wonderful news for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. Kindly proceed to subscribe and like, and don't forget the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. Oh yeah, my people, make a yarn on the mentory. Grandson of Sagi, the media advisor to the immediate past governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, said no amount of lies, blackmail, and propaganda by Governor Okpebholo and his media team can blemish his principal legacies. He said that the former governor, in 8 years, successfully transformed the fortune of people, and he placed Edo State on the path of accelerated growth and prosperity. My people, he didn't end there. He went ahead to lambast Okpebholo-led administration for their continuous resort to what he called baseless allegation, falsehood, and lies to discredit and tarnish the image of the former governor, Governor Obaseki. So he noted that despite the incumbent government attempt to malign and denigrate Obaseki, that Obaseki legacies, achievements, and policies remain indelible and undeniable. So he said the people of Edo State are discerning and they will not be fooled by APC tactics. So he said may APC and Okpebholo go stay for one corner because they know say Governor Obaseki really work. He said no waiting APC gain to they discredit Governor Obaseki, whose illustrious legacy of service to Edo State transformed the fortune of the people and placed the state on the path of progress and prosperity. Obaseki said this one will be say Okpebholo they talk say in one band talks for Edo State when they know say the talks and toggery are part and parcel of the administration, so may they not deceive anybody at all. He further praised the former governor of Edo State for implementing various projects across Edo State. Obaseki said, if anything, that His Excellency Mr. Governor Obaseki has firmly been placed in Edo State history through the big, bold, transformative, and impactful project that he did. So no amount of lies or blackmail that can rubbish Obaseki's legacies. So they urged the clueless government of Okpebholo to refrain from their divisive tactics and resort to lies and propaganda, and instead of focus on governance and delivering developmental projects for the benefit of Edo State and the people, if indeed they have any clear vision or agenda to offer. He noted that the present administration resolved to expose Obaseki was laughable because the people of Edo State aren't easily swayed by baseless tactics. They say if they like me, they not face their governors, may they just leave personally. We say in not doing own pass because they sure say Governor Obaseki really work. Some people are going like making a chook mat for this matter. Make tell me what I think about this issue in our comment section. Go like here from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State or Progressive Congress has promised to reward the immediate past governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, with 50 million naira if he would walk freely on the streets of Benin City and receive a rousing welcome from residents. There was a report that Prince Kasim Afebwai, a chieftain of the party and a member of the Edo State Asset Verification Committee, threw the challenge at a press briefing shortly after the inauguration of the committee by Governor Okpebholo at Government House in Benin City. Afebwai, who responded to some allegations and criticism against the barely 2 weeks old administration of Governor Okpebholo in Edo State by the state chapter of the People Democratic Party, opined that the people-oriented policies and steps so far taken by the new government had endeared him to the people. To him, he said the reason for the press briefing, just like the chairman said, that is to respond to some insinuation out there. The first, they said that the government of APC, that is barely 14 days old, has shut down the e-governance platform. That is very laughable and very incorrect. That what they call e-governance is actually e-corruption. However, Afubai said that is the basic truth because they have tried as much as possible to access some of the information that was paraded before the new government, but they couldn't even access that. Secondly, he said the opposition is saying that their thugs invaded their secretariat and they thought they are just trying to call a dog a bad name in order to hang it. But they are too preoccupied, too serious, and too busy trying to pick up Edo State from the ashes of underdevelopment that the previous government plugged them into. Afubai asked a question that are they going to be looking at the secretariat of an opposition party that was humble at the last election, beaten flat in their domain by the resounding victory that they got from Edo people? That the decision and policy focus of the present government is much, so they're not going to break down by claim of those trying to attack them just to distract them. That only today that PDP has issued another statement complaining about the fact that because they lack what to do, they are setting up an asset verification exercise. That's made they tell them that everyone knows that all over the world it is good for someone to have a status report of a government when they are taken off. The practice is not just for Edo State or Nigeria alone, that it is everywhere. And because the previous government was short in terms of facts and figures that dominated its own governance process, that they have a duty to, as APC, in line with the Renew Hope agenda of the federal government, to begin to interrogate certain gaps as already captured by the chairman of this asset verification committee. So they want to tell Edo people that as few days as the new government has taken off, the projects they have embarked on as a government and as a party, and the step they have taken so far have endeared them to the heart of Edo people. That if the opposition is truly serious, they should please invite the ex-governor Godwin Obaseki to come to Edo for a street walk. That they are ready to pay him 50 million naira for that particular exercise, and they want to see who the people will embrace. Have you also alleged that the immediate past governor has hired some persons across the state to attack and cast aspersion on APC and the government in Edo State? So he, however, said that they will not distract the government and the party from keeping their eyes on the ball and providing credible projects that will help address the challenges that the state is currently facing. So make PDP go park one side. Why people don't be small allow this? They will give Obaseki 50 billion if he's bold enough that she should walk on the streets, and Okpebholo will still walk on the street. They want to see who the people will embrace. Said now Okpebholo, now the people go embrace. My people go like me gonna chook for this matter. Make gonna tell me what I think about this issue in our comment section. Go like here from one. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also follow to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of this segment. Like, comment next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.